The decision was the right one. This was the statement expressed by attorney-at-law Peter Taylor, who represented the Ashwyn Creed in the LifeSport Fiasco. Speaking on Good Morning Trinidad and Tobago, Mr. Taylor says the issue generated a lot of national dialogue, most of which was uncomplimentary towards his client. Dionne Baptiste has more.
Mr. Taylor accused the Central Audit Authority of acting irresponsibly, saying when functioning as a public authority, one's decisions must be circumscribed by procedure and process.
And in that regard, I think having looked and having been part of this matter from the inception, the decision that the learned judge came to was in all of the circumstances the correct one.
The former minister said the defense in this matter benefited from the authorities' failure to follow protocol.
They are the professionals and they have institutional knowledge and they know what obtains. And if it is they were mandated by some form of expediency to derogate from the proper practice and procedure, how you make your bed, so you have to lie in it.
The attorney says the ruling of the High Court is the most the defense could have hoped for. He says the applicants were victims of personal attacks which greatly affected their reputations and their lives.
Remember, a lot of the allegations that were made were very serious. And just let me identify one or two of them. It said that the report was to have been sent to the Director of Public Prosecutions, which is an implication of criminal wrongdoing.
Mr. Taylor says the entire process was rendered void of any legal effect because those accused were robbed of the opportunity to respond to the allegations. He says the judgment sets a clear precedent for audit inquiries. Their lives can now assume some semblance of normalcy.